help. It's inevitably that at some point you will need help. It may be because you're in doubt of how to code something specific, or because you cannot remember what certain functions do. For example, if you cannot remember which input you need when creating a grid, you can see it at the bottom of your editor. If you're still in doubt, you can go to Help, open Manual, and find the function within the Index tab. Writing mp grid leads us to mp grid create with a description of all inputs and the function itself. In the beginning, you will often need the manual until you get the hang of the most common functions. There are also descriptions of GameMaker's built-in variables such as image xscale and illustration of what it means. If you're still in doubt, you can try the forum where other developers often want to help you. Go to Help and GameMaker Community. Within programming, you can ask others for help. Start by searching for your problem. There are always someone before you that have been in almost the exact same situation. If you cannot find anything, create a topic with your subject and describe the problem. Put some effort into describing it properly and be prepared to wait a bit for answer. You can use the forum for much more, like seeing other people's project for inspiration. Once you're done with your game, you can put it on display here. This will get you feedback and learn what other people think about it. It is also possible to watch tutorials, download scripts, sprites, audio, etc. from the marketplace. When you download a script, make sure to read all the code and try to understand how it all fits together. You can learn a lot by reading other people's code and see how they have done it. Last call is to Google for a solution. Use the words GameMaker plus whatever your problem is. If you still cannot find an answer, the search is not concrete enough. Go back to your game and code something else. All of a sudden, you will think of new ways to solve your problem. I hope this lesson provided you with an overview of what to do when stuck.